Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to create Facebook page professionally. How to create Facebook page account professionally. You click on a three line dot on your right hand side comma. You click here. You if you don't see a page, you see there's see more. Click on the see more. Go to page, click on pages. Click on the pages. You see on the top left hand side, you see create. You click on the create. You click on it. You go to get start. You give a page name. So I'll give my page name. So you give a name you want to give to your page. So this is my page name. I'll click OK. Here you choose category. Here you can choose only three categories. So you choose three categories. So I'll choose personal blog. You choose what you want. You choose what you want. You choose what you want. So yeah, I'll choose personal blog. Personal blog. Here, I'm not sure there's a personal blog. Let me try another one. I'll choose entertainment. Entertainment. Okay. Entertainment. I'll choose entertainment website. Yeah. Blog. Let me see blog. Let me see blog. Okay, social media agency. Choose lifestyle. So you choose whatever you want. You choose whatever. You choose whatever you want. Okay, let me choose. Okay. Now I'll click create. On the search bar, you click on it and you search whatever you want to search. Here, it's asking you, do you have email? So you put your email here. You put your email. You put your email. You put your email here. So you put, so I'm putting my email there. If you don't have a website, don't worry, but I have a website, so I'll put it there. If you don't have a website, you can skip that place. Don't worry, but I have a website, so I'll put it there. If you don't have a website, you can skip that place. But if you have, don't worry. Here you put your bio, what your website is about. Here, your phone number, you put it there. Location, zip. Here, you can choose always open. Go to next. Here, you put your bio there. So let me check. Okay. Here you put your image and the background image and you go to next. Here you click here to invite your friends to follow your page. So I'll click here to invite all my friends to follow the page. Now click next. Here you click next. Yes. This searching to create the page. Good. Now I have created a page. So I'll start in the page. Yes. Click next. Next. Good. So I have created a page. So this is my dashboard. You go through. Good. So you take your time. And here, the arrow here, when you want to go to your Facebook account, you click here. You choose the second one. That's the account. It will send you there. So we have account and I have a page. So we go through and do your settings as well. So this is how you can create a Facebook page. Can you subscribe to my channel? Thank you.